Reacting to Ndlozi, funniest moments, Parliament. Let's go.
South Africa Parliament.
I'm very sorry, Honorable Davis. Speaker.
Order. What's the point, Honorable?
The police minister is sleeping in Parliament.
That's been a internet you once off.
Honorable member, that's not a
Babu
point
Komba,
of order.
No, it is. I'm disturbed.
I'm
We
disturbed.
pray this guy. I don't even think he's a member of Parliament. He comes and sleeps.
Honorable
he's not a
Ndlozi,
member?
please take your seat now.
But can you call order, Honorable Speaker? Surely we
Take
can't
your
come
seat.
to work to sleep
To sleep.
on the people's time.
Take your seat,
Don't
Honorable
sleep.
Ndlozi.
Take us serious.
Honorable Ndlozi,
Now,
a matter that has now been raised. In your point of order, you said Honorable Mahlobo beats us up. Can I ask you to stand? Did you say the statement?
Yes, Honorable Chairperson. I made a mistake. I said Mahlobo. I withdraw that, Honorable Mahlobo. But our members' matter of having been beaten up makes a case that it was on the instructions of the security cluster.
No, Honorable
and
member.
It's part of
Honorable member.
Mahlobo. Honorable Chairperson, I
Honorable
admit,
member.
I said that.
Can you please withdraw?
No, I can't. I can't withdraw. I don't see, Honorable Chairperson, what is wrong with saying the Honorable Mahlobo beat us up.
Honorable member, factually, your statement is incorrect.
It must be made in substance. It's a motion. It must be made in substance. It's a matter of fact. It's not a matter of an insult.
Ndlozi,
It's not an insult.
Honorable Ndlozi, can you please withdraw?
Honorable Chairperson, you are asking me in my revolutionary conscience to betray it. I cannot betray my revolutionary conscience. This government called police here to beat us up.
Honorable
Mahlobo,
Honorable
Honorable
Ndlozi.
President, Honorable all of them, the cabinet,
Honorable-
they called people, they beat us up. They are responsible. They must take responsibility. They beat us up, including the speaker, including all the leadership of Parliament. You beat us up. You physically removed us here. You beat us up.
I'm a different guy. I'm paid a bit. Oh, why is that getting Parliament? I say, imagine. I have a circle.
You must take that
Honorable
responsibility.
Ndlozi.
What do you mean?
Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Ndlozi.
No. Honorable Speaker, I want to rise in terms of Rule 31, that which allows me to raise an urgent motion without notice. I want to sincerely, Speaker, on behalf at least of the EFF, to congratulate you on your new marriage. Sincerely. We believe in love. And we believe that we must celebrate people who found love. We wish you success and happiness. Sincerely and genuinely, Speaker. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. And we can perhaps all of us join, associate ourselves with the motion. It's an urgent motion. Let us celebrate love, comrades. Thank you.
Honorable Ndlozi, thank you very much. But if I were you, I would have chosen a different time. But now that you've done that, may I take the opportunity to congratulate the Honorable Hlophe. The opportunity to congratulate the Honorable Hlophe.
That's when Parliament right. That's why I'm saying I take the sentiments. I'm not going to allow you, Ms. Van Dam. I'm really not going to allow you. I see Honorable Ndlozi. Please, sir, yes.
No, Chairperson, it's a different point. Do you know, I'm looking at the way you are dealing with Honorable Van Dam. A lot of young black women watch Parliament. And the way I just want to request the Chairperson to reconsider the way you are handling. And because I'm moving forward, I wanted to raise it privately, but I think I must raise it open, because the next time we'll have to blast. It's just not, it's too dismissive, Honorable Chairperson. And I don't think it warrants for a a very good image of young black women in parliament. I think she's been making very excellent points, and every time, even if she's rising when you have concluded, I really don't think we must dismiss her in that way, Honorable Chairperson. I'm saying that in kind because I also have confidence in you as chair. So I'm just warning that it has not been coming out very well. I don't know what she did. I have not been around, but she's been dismissed over and over and over and over again. It's not good, Honorable Chairperson. She must be heard as equally as everyone. Thank you very much.
So, yes, let me apologize, and it was never intentional, so that the process moves forward. So, Honorable Van Dam, unconditional apology, and every other young South African who might...
Crash ku Van Dam. Akusuyelo mic.
Yeah, ngathi ngenzeka.
Ngathi uyelo mic vele.
Phela liqhoko zalabo sisi siyafaka.
Umthetho ayibeke la. Esifubeni mic.
They're gonna clip
this,
and I'm gonna love this.
Don't forget, man's teacher le video ni isike la. I don't want to appear on nonsense.
Mara ngiyakutshela. Wamtshela ukuthi ayibeke la because wayishaya. Abona kula video. Okay, maybe.
Had you focused on your responsibility to secure a future for the black youth, there wouldn't have been a fees must fall. Instead, you came here to Parliament to sleep, filling your bellies with sleep, filling your bellies with resources that you were looting in state coffers. Bloody sleepists. Had you come here to work, fees must fall would have not happened. Had you come here to become the parents whose role and responsibility is at all times to secure a future for the young, you would have known that you have to prepare universities so that they are accessible, particularly for the black talented youth. Instead, you came here to sleep. We're therefore calling on all charges and sentences against fees must fall activists to be dropped with immediate effect, particularly by the universities that have expelled all these activists. Let all those expulsions fall. Allow the children to come back and focus on their studies in the attainment of education. The same way you freed Nelson Mandela, who was arrested in possession of explosive and guns, who had sworn as an MK commander to kill people. The same way you were willing to release him from prison, calling him a freedom fighter, you must free all fees must fall activists from prison unconditionally. They never killed anyone.
Man. He's not this tall.
Who?
Yeah, Mbuyiseni.
What do you mean?
Contact him with a pay wire. Don't fuck with me. Ungamalana naye mama ungangaye.
They never tried to kill anybody. They were fighting for access to education. Stop criminalizing them. Let them go back to school and attain education. These are not criminals like Tutuzane Zuma, Mtutuzi Manana, or Andile Lungisa, or potential criminals like some ministers here who are serving in the cabinet of Tumamina. They are freedom fighters who were simply seeking the attainment of economic freedom in their lifetime. That is why the EFF is the only organization that has assisted them to fight in all the legal battles that they face. Thank you very much.
I fucking told you.
To fight in all the legal battles that they face.
Oh. Who pay a platform? What about Cox? I would never do that shit.
Company ibuke so.
Straight.
Thank you very much.
Put the question. Are there any objections to the bill being read a second time?
Honorable Speaker, We don't agree that there must not be a debate, man. There's laziness creeping into parliament. We must debate.
We must debate.
We're prepared for a debate here. We didn't agree that there must not be a debate. And you are saying there is an agreement. We think there's laziness creeping. So we're just going to declare and go home. And we're done. We're being paid money to...
I wanted that by
So we must debate. You pass corporal punishment laws, you go home, that's it.
Yeah, honorable member.
We must debate. We're prepared for a debate. At least we must voice that out that we did not agree and would like a debate of this amendment.
Deputy Speaker.
Yes, honorable member.
Deputy Speaker, Parliament works according to a system. We have committee work. We then have debates in the Chief Whip's Forum, and then the programming committee, the discussions like this take place. There comes to the floor there was agreement in the programming committee, there was agreement in the Chief Whip's Forum. There was no opposition to the program whatsoever. So, I mean, it's not fair now to expect us to have a debate. We have a member who's prepared a declaration, which was my understanding of what the agreement was. But we agreed in the Chief Whip's Forum and program that there's no debates on this. So I think it's very unfair for us to have a debate if our members aren't prepared.
Deputy Speaker.
Yes, honorable member.
Before you call the principal against me, we disagreed. We even said that the DA is colluding with the ANC to render laziness in Parliament. We must debate. We are here to work. Everybody must come prepared with facts, with debate. Let's debate. Let's debate.
Okay.
In my capacity as a chairperson responsible for internal arrangements as well as learning and development, we would like to congratulate Honorable Ndlozi for the attainment of your doctorate.
Thank you, Honorable Chairperson. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I also want to congratulate all other members who have done well this year from other institutions. You can clap the hands for yourselves.
Thank you very much.
She's so proud.
Don't be jealous. There are other people who are studying and pass. I'm the principal, I know. Order. Honorable Paulson, what's the point of order?
Chairperson, I just wanted to bring it to your attention that this side of the House rose and applauded Dr. Ndlozi, but those sour...
Order, honorable member, that's not a point of
order. They said that they look miserable.
Honorable Paulson, don't spoil the congratulatory message you have just given to Honorable Ndlozi.
That answer will be attended.
Can you point, please? Say peace power. EP trim, hairline.
Honorable House Chair.
Yes, Honorable.
No. This Deputy Minister is not helping us. He's here answering on behalf of the Minister. He's giving us no answers. There is nothing he knows.
Yes, sir.
He's probably still trapped as a mayor in Ekunle.
Honorable Ndlozi.
You are still suffering from mayoral consciousness. You don't know anything.
Honorable Ndlozi, please take your seat.
Thank you, Honorable.
We'll do a part 2. Yeah, part 2, part 3. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like this video. Sub. Let's get to 1,500 subs. Suggest some clips if you want us to react to something related to that.